Love mo ko, di ba? Bakit mo
Then
siya
add your favorite toppings like nuts or more chocolate
Papuntahin ko
chips by
si
adding more
Nami
chocolate
kasi
chips and
Debs
sliced
niya.
bananas.
Ba't ko umiyak?
Bakit mo ko
Then bake
iiwan?
at 350 for about 25 to 28
Love mo ko,
minutes.
di ba?
Allow them to cool completely
Bakit
before you
mo
cut
ko
through.
iiwan?
These are so good and so fluffy. Enjoy.
Sometimes I don't wanna be happy. Don't wanna get against me.
Anak, lalabas muna ako ha. Bibili lang ako ng ulam natin. Nay, huwag ka munang umalis. Oh, bakit? Natatakot ka dito sa bahay? Hindi, Nay. Ayaw mo ako umalis kasi gusto mo di umalis, no? Hindi, Nay. Alam ko na to. Ayaw mo ako umalis kasi baka bigla ka may dumating na parcel at wala kang pera. Kasi ako na naman ang magbabayad. Pwede, pero hindi yun, Nay. Ano nga, ha? Huwag ka munang umalis nang hindi ka gumagamit nitong YOU Sunbrella 2% Niacinamide Brightening Sunscreen. Ay, oo nga pala, anak. Nakalimutan ko maglagay niyan. Direct pa naman yung araw, oh. Alam mo namang ang daming bad effects ng UV rays ng araw sa balat natin. Buti pa to, may niacinamide, high UV shield, at no white cast. At hindi lang yon, nakaka-bright din to ng skin. Wow, anak, wala nga talaga siyang white cast at non-greasy din. Perfect talaga to. Sige na, Nay, umalis ka na. Papapuntahin ko yung jowa ko dito, ha? Ayan tayo, eh. Oh, ano naman yung Mare? Magang-maga. Eto naman, makangarating lang ako, Mare. Aba, ang tagal pa ng Pasko, ah. Shh! Jingle bell, jingle bell, jingle all.
Start by
Sana
rolling
naman
out some
pag
flakes of
nangangaroling,
frost
walang
dough
kasamang
on a
amoy,
slightly
no?
greased
O,
pan.
eto, 50 pesos. Thank you, Mars.
A few moments later.
Mare?
Add all your favorite
ano naman?
seasonings.
Andito
I like
nga
using
pala yung
onion
inaanak
powder,
mo.
garlic
Di ba?
powder,
Ninang ka
and
nito.
some Italian
Bakit mo ko dinala dito, Nay? Sino ba yan? Pangit-pangit naman eh. Ay, hindi ko ininang yan. Gusto mo lang ang pera, no? Sus! Ito nga, oh. May picture nga kayo ng binyag niya. Oh, ito,
Drizzle some olive
1,000.
oil all over
Pwede
the
na kayo
dough.
umalis.
And then use your hands
Kahit
to
pala
rub the
pangit
mix.
siya, mabait naman pala siya, Nay. Wait lang, Mare. Di pa tayo tapos. Di ba ninang ka din itong
Bake at
pangalawang
350 for about
Meron
8 to
pa?
10 minutes.
Hello po, Ninang. Oh, ito,
Enjoy.
1,000. Last na yan, ha?
Here's another fun way to make frozen
May
yogurt.
pabili na ako ng brief.
Spread out the yogurt into a thin
Ay,
layer.
oo, Mare.
I use
Last na
plain vanilla
yan.
yogurt. Then add some strawberries, some dark chocolate chips,
Nakakatakot, Mare.
and then freeze for 2 to 3 hours. Remove from the freezer, and then
Okay
using
ka
your
lang ba?
hands, you can break them up into
Mare,
smaller pieces.
ikaw ang
So
nagdinag
easy
na
and
to, ha?
delicious.
Sige, Mare.
This
Next
brownie
year na lang,
milkshake
ha?
is so delicious,
Anong next year,
and
next
it's
year?
very
I-advance mo na yung
It is very
birthday,
easy.
pinyag,
You're gonna
at
need
taginaldo
one
neto.
banana, and
Mga
you're gonna mash 'em up.
1,000 lang yun, Mare.
Then, add
Sa
2
teacher
tablespoons of
nating
butter
naging
and 2
pangalawang
tablespoons of
nanay
cocoa.
natin.
Oh, Scarlett, kanina ka pa tahimik. May problema ka ba? Ano po kasi,
Then,
ma'am?
add about a tablespoon
Family
of
problem
chocolate
lang
chips.
po.
I use
Oh,
dark chocolate
kwento mo sa akin. Makikinig ako.
Give it a good mix
Baka may
again,
matulong
and then
ako
add the
sa'yo.
batter into a cup.
Nak, ang bababa ng mga
You can
scores
top
mo
up
sa
with a
akin.
little more
Nangangalap kang bumagsak. Ma'am, sorry
microwave
po.
for
Dami
2
ko po
minutes.
kasing inisip na itong mga
Allow it
nakarang
to cool
araw
before
eh.
serving. So,
Sige,
enjoy.
pagbibigyan kita ngayon ha. Pero promise mo sa akin na babawi ka next quarter. Talaga, ma'am? Thank you, ma'am. Babawi ako, promise.
Sa teacher nating hindi madamot sa grades,
Okay, class. Pwede na kayo mag-lunch. Oh, hindi ka kakain? Wala po kasi akong baon, ma'am. Oh, eto. Kumain ka na, oh. Salamat po, ma'am. Magsabi ka lang sa akin, nak, ha? Hindi ka makakaisip ng maayos pag wala kang kain.
sa teacher nating nagbibigay ng pagkain, sa lahat ng mga teacher sa mundo na nagturo sa amin kung paano lumaban sa buhay, Happy Teacher's Day!
Ikinalulungkot ko pero hindi na siya makakita. Masyado nang malala ang damage sa mata niya. Mahal, hindi tayo susuko ha. Gagaling ka. Mahal, huwag ka na magpa-stress. Ginawa naman natin lahat, diba?
For every second that you weren't by my side, but now I'm stuck at the gate. A Lucifer is a state. I fell in love with a girl I met in hell. Thinking about all the things where you pull strings. I love the way you turn me on. Now you're Hades, but I'm the king. I do anything so that I could take you home. She drove me crazy. Yeah, 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 ring around the rosy, pocket full of posy. I'ma fucking blow all the ashes down. Ring around the rosy, pocket full of.
Walang ya kayo? Sa harap ko pa talaga at sa sarili kong bahay?
Tay, nabalitaan ko yung nangyari kay nanay. Pagdasal na lang natin na gumaling pa rin siya, anak.
May CCTV dito sa bahay. Kailangan kong makuha yung mga files na yun.
Nay? Nay? Nakakakita ka? Anak, please. Huwag mo muna sasabihin kahit kanino na nakakakita na ako. Nay, akala ko ba bulag ka na? Matagal na akong gumaling, anak. Hindi ko lang masabi kasi may masamang kutubo ko din sa tatay mo. Sir, good news! Base sa recent lab test ng asawa niyo, nag-recover yung mata niya. Ano? Ba't parang hindi kayo masaya, sir? Uy, Mare, may field trip kasi yung anak mo. Kailangan ng pirma ng parents. Puso, sumubok ka.
Kapag pinirmahan mo to, akin na lahat ng mga kayamanan mo.
Oh, pirmahan mo na. Tita, wala naman ako field trip ah.
Let's make frozen grapes. First, you need to wash the grapes thoroughly. Then add the grapes on a sheet pan lined up with
Guys,
parchment
hindi ako
paper.
totoo.
Using a
lang
paper
ako.
towel, pat them dry and remove as much moisture as possible. Freeze for 3 to 4 hours, and then place them in a bowl and enjoy with your family, or you can save them in a Ziploc bag and freeze again and enjoy later. Let's make these easy buns using pizza crust dough.
Alam mo bang
Once you figure
AI
out how to
ka?
open this, remove
Hala,
the dough,
hindi ah.
and then place them on
Nagbabayad
the
ako ng
platter.
renta. Nasa-stress ako.
Cut 'em up
Wala
into
akong
equal parts.
ipon.
Ala, tao to.
Then, stuff them with whatever you like.
Boyfriend ko nga pala.
We stuffed some with cheese,
Pogi, no? Hi,
and then I stuffed some with apricot preserves,
Pagtalampakan.
and then I left some empty and simple.
Oh, di ba? Mukhang Korean.
Place them in a grease
Ganda ng
pan,
makeup ko, no?
and then grease the top again. Add some sesame seeds, and then bake them at 350 for about 8 to 10 minutes.
Di ba? Pwede na
These
ako
come out
mag-makeup
fluffy and
artist.
perfect. Enjoy!
Makeup artist ng mga patay.
Akin ka na. Ganda ng boses ko, no? Oo, be. Ang lamig ng boses mo. Ano kaya maganda i-cover next?
Siguro cover your mouth na lang.
Scarlett, okay ka lang? Akala mo ang pogi ng boyfriend mo? Ang pangit niya! Mukha siyang ingrown! Wala kang taste! At ikaw naman, akala mo slay ang makeup mo? Hindi! Mukha kang ililibin! Alam ko na kung ano next na i-cover mo. Yang bibig mo! Hindi ka naman marunong kumanta! Ang baho pa ng hininga mo! Grabe ka naman! Sorry guys, hindi ko mapigilan di man lait. Hello, nalipatan naman ako. Nasaan na naman yun?
With your dreams, baby, get you a beat. It's time to boss up. Fix your credit, girl, get at it, get your bag up. Hit that gym and get back fine. Go get that degree, go, girl. Focus on me. Unlock potential that you didn't know you had it. You fuck that nigga. Ay. Oh, yeah. It's time to mix it up and get your clothes, girl. I know that you gon' get it, you got so much. Don't let nobody tell you that it's over. I want you to know that, girl, you got it, you got it. Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah. You got it, you got it. Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, you elevate, babe. I'm gon' make it known. That nigga hate you, girl. What is he gon' do? Get back your honor. It's cool, I know you stay down. Girl, fuck that drama. If it ain't about the money,
Saan kayo pumupunta tuwing weekends? Ma'am, nasa Japan po kami tuwing weekends kasi malamig doon tapos may snow pa. Ma'am, sa Paris po kami. Nandun po kasi yung Eiffel Tower tapos sila mami po kasi mahilig mag-shopping doon eh. Lu, ang bongga naman ng mga to. Oh, ikaw Scarlett. Sa kwarto ko lang po ma'am. Kailangan po ba umalis? Hindi naman. Siguro mas gusto ni Scarlett yung nagpapahinga siya sa magandang kwarto niya. Class, magkukulak ako ng class funds, ha?
Ay.
Ma'am, start po yung mode of payment.
These niggas is fake, plastic. Her booty ain't big as Jurassic. She ain't talk to my babe, she sassy. Let my brother to death.
Ma'am, ako
To the ones that we lost on the way, cause the drinks bring back
Ayan,
all the
okay na.
memories. And the memories bring back memories. Bring back
Ma'am, pwede ba ako bumalik sa ba? O sige, i-drop na lang kita, ha?
There's a time when I remember
Ito po,
when I
ma'am,
did not
card
know
na
the
lang.
pain.
National
When I
ID.
believe in forever, and everything will stay the same. Now my heart feel like December when somebody say your name, and I can't reach out to call you.
Wait lang. Ang hirap kasi mag-isip kapag gutom eh. Pinari ko, anak. Gutom ka? Bakit di mo sinasabi agad kung talagang bata ka? Alam mo na ba yung all-new Jollibee app? New Jollibee app? Yes, anak! Nag-explore kasi ako and they have the best prices online. At dahil bago lang yung app, may mga freebies like peach mango pie and chicken joy super meal pag new user ka. Plus, may free delivery pa. Ang convenient, Nay. Sulit pala ang all-new Jollibee app. Yes, anak. Mas madali na mag-order dito sa new app. In just a few taps, nakapag-order na agad ako. Wow, Nay! Bongga!
Lucifer's estate. I fell in love with a girl, I'm mad in hell. Thinking about all the things, the way you pull the strings. I love the way you turn me on. I ain't Hades, but I'm the king to do anything.
Ayan, nabasa ko na yung research namin. O, di ba? Sabi ko sa'yo, ikain mo lang yan eh. Kaya ikaw, i-download mo na ang all-new Jollibee app. Order na!
Let's make these hot chocolate cocoa bombs. They're so good. First, melt some dark chocolate and then place them into a mold. Spread them out.